in St. Joseph Convent, Chandanagar, and I read in class 6. Now I take an initiative to spread the awareness of Corona. As we are all aware of the upcoming festivities, which is just around the corner and knocking at our doors, we should also be aware of the fact that this year things are a bit different. We need to be cautious and arouse cautious among one and all around us. So how can we do that? The answer is by following the measures given in these slides through new relevant slogans, poster, cartoon sketchings, songs, poems, captions, painting, anything and everything which can be used to spread the awareness of COVID. If we display pictures with some kind of writing which can spread the awareness of Corona, then it will reach out to many people. For this we do not need to go out. Now, as we begin with our holidays, we have work to do as a responsible Josephite. Thank you. Be alert, Corona avert. I prepared an e-poster which I'm going to tell you now. Considering that as of now there is no cure, prevention is the best way to combat COVID-19. This is why health organizations and governments are counseling their citizens and businesses. By notifying their customers and employees on how to prevent infection, business owners can do their part to slow the spread of the coronavirus. An effective way to inform others of the best counsels is to hang posters and the health guidelines that the WHO has distributed. If we were wondering how to prevent coronavirus, here it is. Help prevent this disease. It is very simple. It is recommended that to print poster and hang it inside the toilets and at the entrance of any company or shop. We will make our business a safer place for our customers. Hanging up these posters is important for restaurants, bars, gyms, schools, universities, and any center or business that has a large number of people. It is essential to advertise how to prevent coronavirus, both to prevent its spread and to offer a message of calm and control of the situation. And remember, to avoid contact with the virus, social distancing prevents the spread of COVID-19. We can also find some design templates with the best recommendations to maintain social distance both in companies, on the property and in public places. It is best to always maintain a very limited capacity of people in the space. The minimum recommended social distance between people is 6 feet. Depending on the size of the business or the office where we work, a certain amount of people at a time is allowed. We know we can all do our part. Discover these and other templates in relation to the coronavirus, personalize them with our logo in less than 1 minute, or delete the text your logo. Print them and hang them in the busiest areas and in the bathroom entrance. This will give an image of cleanliness, seriousness and awareness to our business, so it will help to fight the coronavirus and will help our business too. I prepared some cartoon sketchings to spread the awareness of coronavirus. How to wash your hands? Step 1. Wet your hands with water. Step 2. Deposit enough soap to cover both hands with foam. Step 3. Rub your palms together. Step 4. Turn the palm of the right hand against the back of the left hand and vice versa. Step 5. Rub the palms of your hands together with your fingers interlocked. Step 6. Rub the back of the fingers of one hand against the paddle of the other hand and vice versa. Step 7. Rotate your left thumb and catch it with the other hand and vice versa. Step 8. Rub the tips of your fingers against the other hand and vice versa. Step 9. Rinse your hands with water. Step 10. Dry with a disposable towel. Step 11. Use the towel to turn off the tap. Step 12. Your hands are now safe. How to use a mask? Step 1. Keep the blue side outside. Step 2. Cover both the nose and mouth. Step 3. Hold the nose clip so it fits the bridge of the nose. Step 4. These face masks should be disposed of after each use. We should maintain social distancing for about 6 feet. And now I prepared a cartoon video on avoid social meetings. অষ্টমীতে কাশি নবমীতে জ্বর জ্বর ভাব মুখে আর নেই হাসি নবমীতে জ্বর জ্বর ভাব মুখে আর নেই হাসি দশমীতে হঠাৎ যেন আকুল হইল প্রাণ দশমীতে হঠাৎ যেন আকুল হইল প্রাণ কোভিড পজিটিভ রিপোর্ট নিয়ে হাসপাতালে যান হাসপাতালে যান হাসপাতালে যান। এটা হলো এবছরের পুজোর নতুন গান। যদি চান এরকমটা না হয় তাহলে বাড়িতে বসেই পুজো কাটান। I prepared a poem on coronavirus. COVID-19 is a virus, being a pandemic traveling from China to the whole world's radius. But it's not a monster, only growing diseases man to man faster. Don't believe or spread any rumor, because it's not a film of horror. Therefore, what will be done? We all can do these tasks by thinking as usual fun. So first stay fearless, but not as careless. Till a medicine and also a vaccine are found, we have to maintain far distance from others around. Always use any type of soap. Once we will definitely win this fight with cope. Mask and hand sanitizer. Nowadays both are compulsory measure. Besides all, pray to Almighty forever. We know we are the God's greatest creation, always being clever. Following the COVID-19 protocol strictly, one day we will get the victory. That very day it will be ended the coronavirus story. Coronavirus-এর সচেতনতা বৃদ্ধিতে আমার লেখা বাংলা কবিতা। বিগত 8 মাস অতিমারি মেরেছে। আমফান সেখানে অনুঘটকের কাজও করেছে। শরীর স্বাস্থ্য জীবন হারানো শুধু নয়, সুস্থ সাধারণ মানুষও আজ পাচ্ছে ভয়। জরুরি অবস্থায় সাথে যুক্ত সমস্ত কর্মীদের ফেলে আসা দিনগুলোর অক্লান্ত পরিশ্রমের দান প্রতিদান আজ কিছু মানুষের হঠকারী সিদ্ধান্তে হতে চলেছে খান খান। ভাইরাস শুধু কেড়ে নিচ্ছে প্রাণ। রুজি রুটি হারিয়ে বহু মানুষ এখনো পায়নি কোনো দান পরিত্রাণ। তার সঙ্গে যুক্ত হলো প্রতি বছরের ন্যায় পূজা উৎসব। এবার বুঝি সময় আসন্ন হারাবার সব। আশা ছিল বুদ্ধিজীবীরা দেবে বুদ্ধির পরিচয়। আজ শুধুই রইল আশঙ্কার সংশয়। হতেও তো পারত এবারের পূজা আড়ম্বরবিহীন, প্রথম সারির যোদ্ধাদের অবদানের জন্য উৎসর্গ। যে কোনো ডিজিটাল প্ল্যাটফর্মে আগমন ঘটতো দেবী দুর্গার হাতে নিয়ে খড়গ। বহু ব্যয়ের পূজার মূল্য যদি পেত সর্বহারারা, তা হয়ে উঠত আজ অমূল্য। এখন আমজনতার চিন্তিত নয়ন যদি খুলে দিত মা দুর্গা বুদ্ধিজীবীদের ত্রিনয়ন। আশীর্বাদের স্পর্শ যেন পাই মা দুর্গা, মঙ্গলময় আজ তুমি ত্রাতা সর্বে সর্বা। বোকা বুদ্ধিজীবীদের বুদ্ধির বিকাশ ঘটাও, পৃথিবী দেশ সমাজ থেকে করোনা হাটাও। I prepared some slogans on coronavirus awareness. Corona is a virus looking like plant cycles. Trees always give oxygen, but corona provides poison. COVID-19 isn't a name of fear. It needs less fear but only some care. Meditation is a way to cure the mental health. Human body gains parallel physical wealth. Wash hands with soap and sanitizer. Nowadays all along available in bazaar. Who uses those daily, stay always healthy. Strictly follow COVID-19 protocol. We will soon coronavirus free all. To wear mask, don't forget, otherwise you will regret. Keep social distancing, you won't never corona facing. A prolonged rest, corona makes us feel not best. But it is not the time for living with always COVID fear. This is the prime time to fulfill all our incomplete hobbies together. Harmful ultraviolet rays protected by the layer of ozone. Hence we may get relief from coronavirus by avoiding crowded or gathered zone. Emergency workers are far from their home, therefore staying at home is a responsibility of our own. E-teaching learning becomes new subject both for teachers and students is almost unknown object. It needs infrastructural development by which backward class and remote rural areas also may be an inseparable part of this movement. I collected a very interesting news regarding coronavirus awareness. Corona Sandesh. Dreaded coronavirus finds sweet avatar in Kolkata. A sweet avatar of the virus. COVID-19 has taken away everything we had, our freedom, our peace of mind and even our lives. Now the time has come to take revenge on the coronavirus by digesting it literally. Corona Sandesh. A renowned chain of sweet makers in Kolkata has come up with a sandesh shaped in the form of novel coronavirus, a red-colored spherical body covered with spikes. Sandesh is a type of sweetmeat Bengal is famous for, resembling the virus. Cakes, cupcakes and other sweets such as sandesh designed with exquisitely detailed icing and flourished to resemble the virus, uplifting the spirit. The owner of the shop said he wants to uplift the spirit of the people amid the gloom. So he has decided to offer one Corona Sandesh for free to each customer visiting the shop to lift the spirits of people, spreading awareness. Along with that, a pamphlet bearing anti-COVID-19 slogans and safety measures required to contain the disease is also being given. Slogan. The pamphlet starts with the slogan, "We will digest coronavirus, we will defeat coronavirus." I have drawn a painting that we are fighting two pandemics, COVID-19 and stupidity, and after the post-COVID era, certain proverbs as a precautionary can be followed, such as homestay is the best policy, one man's mask is another man's poison, an unmasked guy is the COVID's workshop, as you spray, so shall you reap. How to make a paper mask for needy people who cannot afford to buy an expensive mask. How to wash your hands with soap for 20 to 60 seconds. First, wet your hands with water. Apply soap on your hand. Rub your palms together very nicely. Then keep your fingers interlocked with your other hand. Again, rub it very nicely. Then rotate your right hand over the left thumb. Then again rub. And again rub. You have to do this for 20 to 60 seconds. Then wash it like this. When 20 to 60 seconds is over, then switch on the tap, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Clean the tap if soap is there. Then close the tap. And then dry your hands with a disposable towel and throw the disposable towel in the dustbin. That's all. I salute the judgment of the Honorable High Court about Puja Pandal hopping. It's a historical verdict during this pandemic to light common people's hoping. I collected some news and images of signs of hope free from corona once. A doctor posted this photo with a newborn in the first moments of his life. The little one tried to remove the mask from his face. The doctor wrote, "We are all waiting for the signal to remove the masks and return to the routine." The photo flew around the whole world and became a symbol of today and hope. I sincerely acknowledge to all our respected sisters and teachers as our mentors who always take this type of great initiatives to spread any kinds of social messages towards the society. I feel proud to be a member of SJC Clooney family and try to do my level best to reach the goals as a responsible Josephite. Thank you.